Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your sleep data is not being recorded properly or is cut off too early in the Notify for Xiaomi app. If in the morning after you wake up you go into your sleep data and you see that it got cut off early, or at least it seems like it did, the first thing you could try would be to go into settings. In here, try looking for auto sync and try turning it off. It could be, I can tell this from personal experience, that it tries syncing data before you actually wake up, which might end up cutting off the sleep tracking, which is really not what you want to happen. So you could just try turning it off and then just remember to sync the data yourself every day. Which shouldn't be too big of an issue, or possibly try setting your auto sync to happen every day at a specific time when you will completely be sure you're awake. For example, at 2 p.m. or maybe later, maybe earlier. Doesn't really matter. The next thing you could try is to go into device settings and trying to maybe see if you have sleep tracking enabled. You can do this either here, maybe go into settings. You can most likely find it in advanced maybe, or not. Well, you should be able to go and sleep and here settings. If it's not working, of course, if you have sleep as Android, also you could try turning off the integration. Or if, for example, you could try turning this off to make sure that maybe this is not messing up. Alternatively, you could also just try turning this off. Maybe this is messing up your sleep tracking, but otherwise you should be fine. But yes, in sleep settings, maybe try looking into the settings for your integration with Sleep as Android. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.